Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandana. Today I am going to explain you about recursion in C. Let's see what is recursion in C. Recursion is the process of function calling itself repeatedly till the given condition satisfied. Means a block of function calls itself repeatedly without user interaction to perform some specific task until unless the condition satisfied. A function call that calls itself directly or indirectly is called a recursive function, and such kind of functions are called recursive call. Recursion is used to solve complex problems. If you have 100 lines of code, you can divide them into parts and solve the problem by calling the recursive again and again. There are many examples like factorial, generating Fibonacci series, etc. And let's see what is recursion function. First, I'll explain you what is function. A function is a block of statement that performs a specific task. When it is called, define is differ from call. If you define a function without calling it, it won't perform any tasks. After calling only, the function perform its specific task. Let's see what is function in recursive function. A function that calls itself is called recursive function. The recursive function contains may call to themselves somewhere in the function body. Moreover, such functions can contain a multiple recursive calls. Means the function which can be defined in somewhere in the body and called somewhere else in the function. After calling function, it will perform its task. The basic syntax of a recursive function are type, function name, args, and these flower brackets define the scope of this particular function. Type is that there are many types. They like int, void. Int means it should return some value. Void means it will not return any value. Let's see the program. This is the example program of recursion, and hash include stdio.h. It is a header file for the C function where it includes a printf and a scanf. When you want to use a printf and scanf, if you it should define hash include stdio.h. int n sum int n. This is the function with argument 1. If n is equal to 0, return 0. Means this is the base condition where here we are finding the first sum of first n natural numbers. If we assign a n value is 0 is equal to 0, return 0. Means if you add anything to the 0, zero natural numbers will not defined. And recursive call, if this condition fails, it will come to the next block where int re is equal to n plus n sum n minus 1 return res. Your res is a variable with a int data type. N is a variable plus adding a previous sum to the present n value and returns the result. Int main. Int main is the main function where it acts as a gateway to the compiler to access inside the program. Int n is equal to 5. Here we are defining a n value as 5. Int sum is equal to n sum argument of n. Here we calling the function. It after compiler enters into this line, it will go to this function and perform this task and again return to the main function with return type. Printf sum of first. This is the line to print what are the numbers are added to that. Fundamental of recursion. There are two fundamentals of recursion case and a base condition. This image will define what is base condition and recursive case. This is the base condition where base condition first it will check the base condition. If it is true, it will come out of the program. No recursion will happen. If it is false, it will you get inside the function and perform recursion operation. Recursion case, as previously I said, recursion case refers to the recursive call present in the recursion function. It is said what type of recursion will occur and how problem will divided into sub problems. In the example we have used this line. This is the recursion case, and as I said, base condition, first it will check the base condition. If it is true, it will come out of the program. If it is false, it will get inside the program. The base condition specifies when the recursion is going to terminate. Terminate means end of the program. If the it is the condition that determines exit point of the recursion. This is the structure how recursion is performed. Hence, phi later it n phi is stored in res 5 plus n sum 4. Like that, it will add. This is how the recursion will perform in the program. Thank you.